actually a test, so it's supposed to be going off. National Storm Awareness Month or something. So they're testing the sirens again. It's about 1:45, and there's another one today. And then there's another one scheduled for about 6:30 tonight. So these are our mason bees, and they're hatching. There's one ready to come out. There's a couple ready to come out. See that one? Mm-hmm. Fly away, so I can close this. There you go. You're upside down there, buddy. Yep. There you go. Anyone else want to come out yet? You guys still sleepy? 6:58. It's the last emergency alarm test. So this is hopefully the last we'll hear of this siren until next month, and hope you're having a good Thursday. Talk to you later. Bye.